Alright, inkosazana yabaThembu iyanibingelela. Dumelang, mayibuye iAzania, izwe lethu iAzania. Molweni. Actually, Cheganti, I'm not the only person that's been deleting videos. Hey, Nkosi yami. I've been deleting videos. Ngiyenze and dingayi-upload. When I'm actually going through it, ngibona ukuthi hayi la cha. This is not the right time. Let me delete it. Or rather, let me not upload it. But ke ispace siyadla. So yeah, now I come across this video yale commander, TikTokers or YouTubers. Yeah, confess. Hey, uhlanya luvukwe yinto yalo. Ngubani inyanga manje? Inyanga yamahlanya masikudla kokuthiwa uOctober makudubula imithi. Kuthiwa ngesixhosa inyanga yomdumba. But basically yabona i-fruit trees, ipesika iqala ukudubula ngo-October, xa ephela uOctober November. Nayo ke kwezazibhedlele lezi abo eNdimangeni. eVetkopies eGauteng, eNdimangeni e-Eastern Cape, eKomani. Bayazi baxa kuthiwa emva koqaqa ezibeleni okanye kubuse eKomani kuthiwa eNdimangeni. Kwakhona isibhedlele kwakuthiwa eNdimangeni esamahlanya. Angazi ukuthi uhlanya luphazamisa belibanjwe yini okanye bekufana nethumba mhlawumbe ngokuthumba ligqabuke late. Hey, but ke all in all uhlanya luwa ekhile ama-commanders. Hayi man, yazi uyagula shem umntana abantu, ngempela uyagula. Angisho angimthethelela, angeke ngize ngimthethelele. Yabona this time around, yo hayi sana. So ma-commanders, akushiwo ukuthi singa-engage. Ayitsho laa nto leya. Niyabona esi silungu siyaxabana ke ngokunathi. Lezi zinto lezi zibhalwa ngesilungu esingathanga shwi, siyaxabana nathi. Thina sifuna izinto zibekwe ngesintu zithi phaca. Akutshiwo ukuba singa-engage siyiphendule into. Kuthiwa nje singathukani. Hayi uba sifele ngaphakathi, akunawuze kuthiwe masifele ngaphakathi. Hayi yo, angeke. Akutshiwo, kuthiwa kwaMkhondo weSizwe singathukani, makuhlonitshwe. Noba ngabe umuntu sekakuthukile yena kuqala, sumphendula back. Two wrongs don't make a right. Sumphendula back, umthuke trek, uthole seniluze itrack manje nonke because niyathukana. Awumameli, mamela lokho akutshoyo, because isitha kubalekile ukuthi isitha okanye umuntu azibonisa isitha kuwena umlalele ukuthi uthini. Ungamphenduli ngaleso sikhathi nawe amagwele asephezulu. Uthule, uzilinde, uphole, ama-emotions asettlishe down, noshukela wehle ungakhuphuki. Kodwa ke ubese ucubungela lokhu bekakutsho. Umphendule ke uyi-address because soze ufele ngaphakathi. Izinto ezingaphendulwayo ufela ngaphakathi zinobungozi. So bese ke amagwele mase wahlile kuwe, emalangeni ngoba awazi kwehla kwangoko. Phela uhlanya izinto elizikhulumile hey hayi cha. Hayi. Azikhontsha. I think enye yezinto ezibangela into ba zicasule lento ba luphinda izinto ezindala ezikwakulahlekisa isizwe ngaso kwathwa yo nangu uZuma mubi ukhohlakele unendlu eDubai pay back the money Zuma must fall inkandla this hey bawathengisa ke i-white monopoly capital media amaphepha because every day ibibanga uZuma this Zuma that e-airport nje bowungalithenga iphepha bowufika nje noma ngaba awunatikiti awuzukhwela bhanoyi awuyindawo uziyele nje airport mhlawumbi uyele lokho kuyele kodwa awuzugibela bhanoyi amaphepha bewa free wonke lama media houses we-Stratcom bewa free ngoba bebayenza imali okanye ke imali bebeyenza actually imali because ile babhadalana ngayo ukuthi bawabeke lapha yana abe free ngoba iphulo linye elokuthi makugxibwe uPresident Zuma. Every day headlines ibibanga uZuma yo so uhlanya ke lusaphinda lezo zinto lezo kodwa ke abantu bakithi lingaphinda luthini athini umntana abantu because ayikho enye into ayaziyo ngaphandle nje kokuthi yena waziqashisa ngoMazothi qeda uMazothi wamthatha waya eLondon nikhohliwe nalesa sithombe lesiya ahleli lapha etafuleni ayenzeka so hleli nabo Mazothi nabelungu bonke eLondon wathi makabuya tshintshile umfana yey so yeah in case nikhohliwe lokho phela mawuyile lapha yana waba yi-Illuminati waba yi-Freemason ngoba yena ngathi ke yi-Freemason yena yes yi-Freemason awuphumi ngenile so shame uhlanya labantu sizawuthi liyagula ewe uyagula because akekho umuntu ongathengisa ngesoul yakhe azaphinda be right la ekhanda vukile ke into yakhona luhlangene ne-depression kuthiwa yintoni lanto leyana ngabantu abafundileyo delayed shock belukwi-shock i-delayed shock yakhona for 3 full months 3 full months belukwi-shock now kwi-denial and then u-denial wakhona ke ngoku usekahamba ne-anger so zii-stages eziya but yonke ke ngoku lanto leyana athi go through yona yokuluza and it's not over ukuluza ibrother yakhe le wayeyenzele i-press conference wayenzela i-farewell ukuthi i-announce kwipressa iyahamba iyacrossa it's losing the entire organization because everybody that had the brains even the ones thina bakababa esasimboleke bona sayobagcinisa lapha yakwi Red Berets sasimbolekile bandla manje yena kasafuna ukubuyiselwa simboleke ibrains ngoba umbutho we-Red Berets bewu-under attack, uhlakazeka. Samboleka ibrain, samboleka abomkhwebane, samboleka abomanyi, samboleka abonkosentsha, samboleka abantu abakwazi ukufayitha from the side of Red Forces. Sisesekwagogo. It was to save that organization ngoba sazi ukuthi we are building i-unity yendlu emnyama. Noma ngaleso sikhathi besingekavani ukuthi sizayibiza kamabani na, but we knew ukuthi we are building umfelandawonye wendlu emnyama for the return of our land, for the implementation of radical economic transformation, for the nationalization of the Reserve Bank, for the changing of a constitution, it's the best constitution in the entire world, yet not even one country has ever adopted that constitution until it was donated to us via Rolf Meyer no Cyril Ramaphosa in 1996. Sichinje i-constitution. In fact, we don't even want to change a constitution. You don't change into a fraught. You start afresh. Besingathi siyayichinja if we were involved as a nation in the crafting of that constitution, but we were never involved at all. So i-constitution esizawuyenza sizwe singumfelandawonye uma sesisezintambeni singumkhonto wesizwe, yi-constitution esiza kuyiqala phansi thina ngokwethu sisizwe siluluntu. So those are the key things esifuna ukuzenza, esizithembisa uluntu, esizikhomithayo singumkhonto wesizwe ukuthi sizawuzenza sisakuphatha sakuba sisezintanjeni. Befanele ngaba sisezintanjeni already, kodwa sisadileywa indaba yokuthi amavoti wethu nama results arigiwe. So sisesebhizi indaba yasenkantolo. Sibuyisele amandla okuphatha kumakhosi wendabuko khona ukuze kungasaphatha ama-politicians athengwayo nazithengayo izikhundla zoba mawaphathe kungekhonto. So sifuna ukuvala yonke lonto leyo, zizinto esizikhomithayo singumbutho womfelandawonye ngaphansi kwesibaya esibizwa ngoba ngumkhonto wesizwe. So besimboleka ama-Red Berets all those 2 years, sasibaboleka the brains so that they can begin ukuthi babe khona eParliament, babe zindlebe namehlo amasela wakwagogo angazenzeli, at least ibe khona i-voice of reason nezawugada. Oko kusebhizi kusahlanganiswa amabutho, kusahlanganiswa isizwe under one organization. Siyeke ukuba zizichuchu ngezichuchu, because that is playing right in the hands of the enemy. It is playing right into the hands of the 1652s ezifike apha zakonkara through it divide and conquer. And they implemented, they continued, benza it divide and rule. Basohlula sazi Bantu states or Bantustan states, lando igqibele seyibizwa ngoba zi-TPVC states. So into President Zuma ebeyenza esesengupresident around 2013, from 2013 kukuhlanganisa, akaqalanga ngokupresident Jacob Zuma, ukuhlanganisa indlu emnyama, epreacher esithi hlangana mhlathi owazanayo. Not just unity for a purpose and unity in purpose. Yaqhubeleka ayikhange ithi hlangana mhlathi owazanayo kuphela, ithi lando xa iphelela hlangana mhlathi owazanayo, silwe utshaba, sithathe umhlaba wethu nomnotho wawo, noburhulumente bethu bubuyele kuthi ngaphansi kobuholi bamakhosi wendabuko. Sibuyisele uburhulumente okanye umbuso onobuthixo njengoko kwakunjalo ngaphambili ko-1652, ngaphambi kokuba kufika izikepe ezintathu. Yiyo ivision nenjongo, imission yomkhonto okanye yembumba yomkhonto wesizwe, kukuhlanganisa indlu emnyama yonke. Kuye kuba izicucu ke ngalama small organization ezingasisindawo for 30 full years. Azincedanga nto into yoba kubekho izicucu ngezicucu, kukhunyushwe into, kutshintshwe nenjongo yoba umzabalazo wawungantoni na, when umzabalazo it has always been about the return of our land, the return of our identity. Singabizo zonto esingazazi, singasenabuntu, singasazazi ezweni lethu, singasazazi uba singobani, sitreatwa as fourth class citizens, yet sisezweni loba womkhulu. Now who can compete with that in his sane mind? So really umuntu oxabana nalonto leyo abone upresident Jacob Zuma esisitha, abone umkhonto wesizwe usisitha because ufuna ukumthathela abantu bakhe. First of all, the people are the creation of God. Akekho umuntu onelungelo lokuthi abantu ngabam. It's only God that can say my people, and that says my people, rightfully so, because uNkulunkulu umveli nqangi, he is the only creator, he is the only one that has got that right yokuthi my people. Hence he says, my people perish for lack of knowledge. Now this one owuhlanya ngoba sekazicommite kulando ye-Freemasons azicommite kuyo, xa iqala ukuthi ngathi uyajika okanye ngathi uyazibona impukane, uyabizwa kuthiwe hey boy come here, we paid you, deliver. So yingakho a flip flop, enza lokhu, akhuluma lokhu. Namhlanje uthi sewusithi oh halala, praise God, at least ziyakhanya izibane kulokhu, bambize kuthiwe hey, we will expose you ukuthi senze ntoni na, ukuthi wenze ntoni na. Yabona manje, not long ago indaba ka-VBS bebeyivuse phansi ime ngeenyawo, wenza ingathi hayi ujikile utheni, bebeyimise ngeenyawo before elections. VBS, which means they are still using u-VBS ne-shenanigans ebebezenzile. Yakhumbula ukuthi i-VBS nayo kwaba indaba ukuthi iwiswe ngupresident Zuma, because babekulela phulo lokuthi blame everything on Zuma, because uZuma melabonakale engumuntu omubi. Now because bebengafuni kuma elections ukuthi i-Red Berets must contest, bebefuna ukuthi i-Red Berets lapha yake eStellenbosch Mafia nase-US kwi-headquarters ze-CIA bebefuna ukuthi i-Red Berets kumele zihlangane nabakwaGogo. Kwangalungi ke lokho. Babona ukuthi aniyenzi ngcono ke sithini sizonithola la kuma elections. We will decampaign you. And they started decampaigning i-Red Berets. In fact, umkhondo wesizwe ukuthi uannouncewe awusavanga i-Red Berets kuphela, awusavanga i-ANC kuphela, usave ne-Red Berets. Uzisavile. Kodwa ke bakwenzileyo esingazukuthetha. Kwathuleka ke futhi emva koko. Yize uHershov wayegibele stagini ekhuluma indaba yokuthi in fact the real danger is not the Red Berets, it's umkhondo wesizwe, because ubonile angithe ekuqaleni bebeyidismiss indaba yomkhondo wesizwe kusithiwa ngumlilo wamaphepha. Bayidismissa babona ukuthi hey silibele sikudenial. Silibele kudismissa nje umkhondo wesizwe awukhuli yema unama million wama members. Bathi plan B. Plan B badeploy abantu ba-infiltrate bangena ngaphakathi ukuthi bawuhlakaza umkhonto benza konke abakwenzileyo esesithe go through kona kodwa saphumelela. So that gave a break. That speech kaHershov was not just a best or an inconvenient best. It was a message to the others, their partners in the Luciferian ville. Ukuthi, hey, shift the focus to umkhondo wesizwe. But it was a warning that was too little, too late. Now, basawinile ngokokwabo okwamanje ukuthi they've managed up to this far ukuthi badeleye ukuphatha komkhondo wesizwe through the vote rigging and the court processes ezithatha isikhathi zingade ku-allocate i-date kuyona ibe ngu back and forth Stalingrad approach abayenzayo. Le baqhele ukuthyola upresident ngayo ukuthi hayi udlala iStalingrad when they are the masters in the Stalingrad approach. Ilesi basenzayo ke manje makuza kumavoti wethu laba warigileyo siwinile throughout the country sinobufakazi baloko. Now they are all of these things abazenzayo be-unleasha nohlanya, but they don't have anything new ukuthi bangarasa ngayo, because uPresident Zuma ebengekho sembusweni since 2018. Now the blame it on Zuma card does not work anymore, but to them it doesn't matter, because they are thinking ukuthi as the natives we are stupid, yet they know ukuthi we are not stupid. What makes them think that? Ngaphandle kokuthakatha ke amaLucifer amaSatanist ayathakatha mosikuthakatha yonke lento bayenzayo. Ukuthakatha bakwenzayo kwenze ukuthi bangasakwazi nokucinga ngengqondo, izinto zabo zijike kubo. Ngiyabona ukuthi bakhona bagobela bashaya impinda uma bethi bayamphonsela bona or bathukuthelwe, basebenza ngempinda, because ngokwezazinto zabo okwakuhlanya bebecabanga ukuthi bakufake ebantwini kubuyele kubo ke manje. Bakhupha ke manje abathunywa babo uhlanya balibambe ngesibhamu enhloko ukuthi ukhenje hamba, go to a public platform, biza bayamchuchumbisa akalali lo mntana, akakuthola ukuphumla. Hayi ukuthi uyahlanya kahlanye, but akakuthola ukuphumla ngenxa yantoni? Waba negreed, wayothatha imali eziphuma ezindaweni ezirongo, eziphuma kwi-altars ezirongo. Nangu umbhoro awayethwala ngaye. Umbhoro uchola amaphepha la estradweni. Uyagula ke na ke umbhoro, serious. And that is in the public domain. Angimhlebi, it's in the public domain. Igcwele ku YouTube. Uyagula serious. Akangeke ke aze athi umbhoro ebethwalisa Julius Slow ukuthi abe ne following, aviwe ngabantu. Bampraise ingathi nguNkulunkulu, athi umakathi jump, bangabuzi nje nokuthi how high, bangabuzi ukuthi why. It's because wayethwaliswe ngumbhoro. Kazuthi ke ngumuntu wayemthwalisile ehlanya, echola amaphepha, ehambethela itswayi estratweni, ehambethwala umnqamlezo, ekhuluma ngomlomo wakhe intoba yena wahamba yothwala enkonzweni thizeni eningazoyibiza ngegama. Kodwa ke wahamba wayothwala khona, khona lapha eFosloras. In fact ikhona naseKatlehong. Isondo lakhona liyaziwa ukuthi lisondo leSatanism. Kazuthi ke la muntu ebemthwalisile ehlanya, yena angahlanyi. Uyagula. Iphelile lanto ingoma yakhe lebeme ngayo. Kodwa ke umuntu ogulayo akahlekwa, uyanyangwa. Uyachuchumbiswa ke ngoku, uchuchumbiswa yilaba athathe imali yabo, labelungu athathe imali yabo. Akakwazi ke ngokubuyela ebantwini azochaza into ba hey khani ndophule, ndixakekile, because thathatha imali yabelungu. Laphaya kudala ozakwabo bechaza, bezibeka izinto on the public domain, kusengu-Twitter u-X ngoko. Bathi wena nini wenza oku noku, bathukwe ngabantwana abalahlekiswayo. Abona abantu abafuna bathandazelwe ngaba bantwana balandela uhlanya, becabanga ukuthi lukhuluma iqiniso. Oyena muntu odukise isizwe for many years because of igreed, uhlanya lolu namhlanje olungasakwaziyo ukuthi lumele inyani, lume nesizwe kulento yokuthi isizwe siyahlanganiswa khona ukuze kulungiswe izinto, kubuye umhlaba wabantu, kubuye amandla wokuphatha wamakhosi, kubuye ubunye, kubuye urhulumente wobuthixo, kubuye isidima somuntu omnyama. Umuntu onepeace ke nongasangananga la ekhanda angeke azaxabane nalonto leyo. And it's not as if akayazi into kokuba yintoni injongo yokuhlanganiswa kwendlu emnyama ngubaba uZuma namakhomanda ngaphansi komfelandawonye obizwa umkhondo wesizwe. Uyayazi. Xa ungenanyani awunanyani. And xa uhambe wayozithengisa isoul yakho kuSathana because ugreedy, ufuna imali, uvumile laa nto kuthiwa yenze phaa, into ba ufuna ipower, ufuna imali, alright ke sifuna oku nokuya. Imali uzayifumana, ipower uzayifumana, but iyabalelwa kaloku ipower yakhona, and it can't be forever. Asizuyazi ke into kokuba wayethwele ngantoni na. Asizuyiphendula into esingayaziyo, kodwa ipeace akanayo. So thina ke ngoku masiphendulane nalonto leyo. Asikwazi ukudileywa ngumuntu ongena peace ngenxa yedemons zakhe. Masimiyeke yena atyiwe zidemons zakhe, makatyiwe lifufunyana lakhe eyedwa. Singazilibazisi sisizwe. Singamameli into ethethwayo engekho ntsha ekukudala ayithetha. Unengxaki and akukho nto ungazuyenze ke emntwini onengxaki engaziboni into yokuba unengxaki okanye eyazi into yoba unengxaki but engayithethi until laa muntu erealize ukuthi I have a problem. And angarealize kuphela athethe atsho into yoba ndinengxaki so. Ndicela usizo. Because engekatsho ayikho into esizawuyenza. Akho mntu onomnceda. Akekho umuntu onomnceda engakhange azotsho into yoba unengxaki. But the danger is those other people abahleli naye laphayana, abalidishela emahadini weengonyama. Ubakhokelela engcwabeni phela. That is the danger. That is the worry that we have. Ukuthi those thousands or hundreds of thousands of people kungabantu abatsha, abancinci, abangayaziyo uba kwakwenzeke ntoni phini ninjani. Abaqabuka kusasa, baqabuka izolo, ama-2000s, basebancinci. And he's leading them to the grave. Ngabo ke ekufanele sibathandazele, ngabo ekufanele sibashumayeze, just to save their souls. Just to save their souls. We have to make sure ukuthi we preach the gospel of the unity of the Black House for the return of our land under one organization, Umkhonto Wesizwe. Because this is not about the positions. It's not about ngubani ozabayi president, yeyiphi ebekhona kuqala. I-EFF izalwa ngoku, Umkhonto Wesizwe yinto indala. Yeka nje uba kungumkhonto wesizwe party ngoku, the term party ifakelwe for ukuthi i-comply with i-requirements zika-IEC. But Umkhonto Wesizwe yinto indala. Kudala nathi sizalwa ukhona. Yinto indala. Yeka nje into yoba wawudispendiwe ngokungekho mthethweni ngela xesha likaCodesa without even involving the commanders in chief zomkhonto wesizwe, without involving the guerrillas zomkhonto wesizwe. It was part of the selling out of this nation kulando kwelanyala lalibizwa into yoba linguCodesa. So ke asingazihluphini bakithi ngohlanya, but asizihluphe nge-youth leya yama-2000s ayikhokelayo, ayilahlekisayo, eyikhokelela emahadini, eyazi futhi into yoba abukho ubunyani kuyo yonke le nto endiyithethayo nale nto endiyenzayo. He is just trying to save face, and that's being cowardice. He's being a coward for him not to come up aze ebantwini azokonfesa into yoba ndinengxaki. Noba kasatshongo kwinto yoba ndenza ntoni kweyiphi kona ndathini, we don't need detail. We understand clearly into awazifaka kuyo. We understand ukuthi into enjani na. Isatanism ayonto easy. noba wayesenzela ireason bana angekhe sibe sayibuza sizele. Siyayazi ingxaki yomuntu ozelweyo ne-weaknesses zomntu. Ngeke sabuza sithi kwakutheni uziwenze ntoni na, but he must come to the people aconfesse athi ndinengxaki, instead of continuing kule nto ayenzayo abe in the process that is being selfish. Ukuthi sendifile masifeni sonke. It's like saying sendifile masife sonke. Abe usonke emina ukuthi umisleader abantwana bamlandelayo bamamelayo innocently becinga fana buthethe yona nto yiyo. But ke yeah, so thina umsebenzi wethu, irresponsibility yethu is to make sure ukuthi we try and save those children. We try and save them for the sake of this nation by telling them the truth and let them see ukuthi iqiniso likuphi, nokuthi lento bayilandelayo ibakhokelela kwantshabalalo. Ibakhokelela kwantshabalalo. We need to open up to them and tell them the truth for the sake of saving the future of this nation, because the future lies with those kids. It can't be igap kaloku ye-generations kuthiwe le i-generation ayikho ibulewe ngesizathu sobuxoki besatanism yamalusifari acontrolwa eStellenbosch nase-US by i-CIA nase-Davos. We can't. So uba ngabasilinde into kokuba inyani iyawuziphume apha, i-damage iyenzeka in the process. So that's just what I wanted to say, and also correct i-situation njenyana encinci ukuthi akuthwanga singazi address izinto, but the emphasis kwi-constitution okanye ke kumkhondo wesizwe ukuthi we should not be engaging in insults. It's part of irrespect, because irrespect goes a long way. But that does not mean ukuthi makunga engagewa kufelwe ngaphakathi. No. This is not an organization of gagging people okanye of saying uma bekushaya ngapha mnikeze nelinye icala. No. Ayitsho kanjalo. It's diplomacy. The art of diplomacy is being able to tell a person to go to hell in such a way that that person looks forward to the trip. That is the art of diplomacy, which we have to learn, and learn fast, so that when they are trading insults, we don't trade insults. Instead, we engage with them in a diplomatic manner, in a manner that enables them to see the light. Ukuthi kahle what is the priority, what is important. Because indaba yezicucu ngezicucu, it's divide and conquer, divide and rule, which is the same old strategy that the colonists, the apartheid regime, this Babylonian system, the Luciferian system, the New World Order, agents and messengers have been using and recycling over and over again. Hlangana mhlathi owazanayo, hlangana sizwe esingafunwayo, hlangana mAzania ngenjongo yokuthi sithathe umhlaba wethu ne-inheritance yethu nombuso wethu, sikhululeke ezweni esawushiyelwa ukuthi ubelilifa ngoba womkhulu. That is the message, and that is the vision and the mission that we are about as Umkhonto weSizwe, because we realize that the only thing, the most important thing that will lead us to realize the total liberation of the Azanian child is through the unity. That is why when we say amandla, we make a fist, because when this fist is like this, when it's closed like this, it has got the power, it has got the strength. That is why we are saying hlangana mAzania, hlangana sizwe esingafunwayo, hlangana mhlathi owazanayo, sithathe umhlaba nezwe sibuyisele nobuzwe bethu, ubuzwe obunyulu obunobuthixo, ubuzwe nombuso onobuthixo, umbuso wamakhosi wendabuko ongathengwayo. Ngaphansi kwamakhosi wendabuko umnotho wethu ubenefite thina banikazi mhlaba, ngoba lo mhlaba ngowethu, elilizwe lelethu thina mAzania omgquba. Once we have taken back our land and our wealth and are in control of the minerals and mineral resources, control, ownership and management of the minerals and mineral resources of our land and our wealth, then there will be nothing, no reason for us to be fighting each other for mere political positions, zama councillor, zama MPLs, zama MPs. No. There will be enough, there are enough riches and enough wealth in this land of Azania. We are blessed with that. There will be enough for all of us. And therefore, there will not be a need for amaqembu ngamaqembu. We will not even be interested, nobody would be interested in going out there, ayosebenzela u-Oppenheimer, ayosebenzela u-Rupert, because we will be the Oppenheimers. We will be in control and in management and in ownership of the businesses, of the wealth yezwe lethu, not i-wealth ethathwe kuthi zi-1652s. There won't be a need at all. Commander's morning. Inkosazana yabaThembu isanithanda. Masibuyiseni ingqondo. Sithi pop pop.